Okay, Didi, thank you for your question. I just saw the question and you are requesting to know what is the difference between deep cleaning and maintenance. Deep cleaning, as the word says, is deep, is more intense, more in details. People clean with water, soap, or Clorox, or whatever. In my opinion, deep cleaning is like this. I don't know if you can see this white stuff. Is to put more vinegar with a toothbrush, try to do a more detailing job. In my opinion, what is the deep cleaning? Is clean right here. Remove any kind of hair. I just did that. I just removed the hair from here, but that is black. So later I'm gonna put some Clorox and things like that. What is deep cleaning? Deep cleaning is something that she's doing right now. Doing more details, put some more a product to remove the calcium. Doing like this. Deep cleaning, in my opinion, is to put the cotton around and let the product sit enough so the mold is gonna go away. Also, you can include in your deep cleaning windows. There is two ways to quote. Offer whatever you know how to do it. We know how to clean windows, so that's what he's doing right now. We also know how to clean the tile and grout. That's included but separate. Okay, I chart beside the cleaning. Deep cleaning. Okay, deep cleaning is to use a cobweb to remove any kind of webs, vacuum on top, doing more detail as Kiara is doing the stove. If there is a move in or move out, I remember that this is a vacation home, so Kiara already opened all the drawers and clean inside. So depending what the client said, okay? Maintenance is just dusting with a microfiber cloth or a duster or even a vacuum. Dust the baseboard. Dust, but not clean. Dust is different to clean, okay? So right here is some paint. Deep cleaning. In a move-in, like in this example, the new owner is coming in. So what he expects? Not only dust with a feather or swifter, but do the surface in that way that it's gonna last. So Davis already put a ladder, as he was doing before going outside to do the windows. He reached the ladder and he cleaned all the side of the ceiling fan. Deep cleaning, what it is clean the rails. Okay? Thus, if the furniture is not that heavy, move the furniture, vacuum behind the night tables, if you can move it, okay? But everything depends of the client and what you see that you can provide. Maintenance, as long as the house is in really good shape, maintenance is just to maintain the house in the shape that the person who is living will be safe and have all the areas sanitized and clean. What else? Is different type of cleaning. Move in and move out. And move out, the purpose, what is the purpose of move out? The purpose of move out is that the tenant give back the property to the management company or the landlord so the person can have the deposit back. Okay? The moving people, single people, or the new tenant is gonna move in a good place. Sometimes new tenants or new owners hire us. Another option is that management companies hire us. So I hope that you understood the difference. Maintenance is light, it's just to maintain. You can request after a deep cleaning maintenance. You can maintenance a house once a month, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every 6 months, depending on the client and how many people live in that house. But I request at least once a year a deep cleaning, because every time that we come to clean, we don't clean the basement. We just dust it once a month with a Swifter. So I hope that I answered your question. Did you see right now Yole? Yole is cleaning all the surface. Okay, take care, okay? Bye.